David Kazai here from Kazai Rug Outlet, a family tradition since 1860. What if I come to you and said, I went yesterday and I traded my car with a brand new car and they gave me 100% of the value? That's crazy, isn't it? How about if I come to you and said, I traded my 10-year-old sofa and they gave me 100% credit toward an exchange? Sounds crazy, right? The beauty of Oriental Rug is you can bring a new look and feel this spring. Come and change your home. If you have a rug and you want to have a new look, bring it in. If you have purchased it from us and have maintained it with us, we give you 100% credit toward an exchange anytime. Everybody says they have a large selection. Well, come and see. Go to our website, go to our location, and do a Google 360. 5,000 rugs in stock for you to bring in your rug and trade. Trade, you don't have necessary to have purchased your rug from us. You can have a rug, and you want to have a new look, new feel. No problem. Bring it in, we will trade it for you. So come on in and walk all over us. Thank you.